Folks, what's up? It's Frank Ragnow here, and we've got one of Rutgers' finest, Jonah Jackson, one of Arkansas's finest, Dan Skipper, and we're out here on the beautiful Lake St. Clair looking for big old smallmouth. Jonah's never fished before. Skipper's got some experience, so it's going to be interesting. Wish us luck. It's about 55 degrees, wind's blowing about 15 to 20, and the water is clear as gin. So, not ideal, but we're going to find them. Stay tuned. God, this wind is just unideal. Nobody. Well, you're gonna take Skip's eye out. Watch out, buddy. There's one. Let's go, baby. Hooked up. It's a good one, I think. I don't know. I can't tell. Oh, it's not crazy. Gosh, they look sick in this clear water though. Not bad. Good start. Boat flip. Oh, don't boat flip, Frank. Oh yeah. There's one. Oh, good one, good one. You want to grab the net, Skippy? Ready? Oh, ready? Here it comes. Nice, boys!
Yo, nice fish.
That's a good start.
Go.
Short and showy one. Choked it. That's what they look like.
Great job, Frank.
Thanks.
Can I hold it and act like I caught the first fish?
Sure.
Can I hold him though?
Yeah. Just grab the lip.
Right there.
Yep.
That's a good fish.
It's a short, fat one. Should we weigh it just to see where we're at? Oh, dang. 374. Woo.
Boy.
There's one. Ooh, baby! Ooh, another good one. Golly, baby. Stay down. Ready? Boom! Let's go. It's probably the same size. Look at that. Little butterball. You just have one?
I don't know.
It looked like you had. It looked like you had something there. Oh, there's a good one, boys. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Felt like a good one. Oh yeah. Let's go. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Oh, that's a good one. That looks bigger, right? Or am I? Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, that's a tank. Let's go. Oh! Folks, Frank Ragnow here, Grizzly Outdoors. We just hooked a nice 4-6, beautiful fish. Let's get a measurement on her just to see. That's a 20-inch fish. Not bad at all. We'll keep climbing, but man, that's a beautiful fish. All right, one more photo. We flip it.
Northern Peninsula off?
The UP?
Yeah.
I've been ice fishing up there. I'm supposed to go up there the 6th, May 6th. All right, Skip. Cast up in front of the boat. I got it. Sure, good one. Oh, it's a good one. How did swimming want to do? Oh, that's another tank! Oh, nice. Fish? Right over here, Skippy. Nice, Skip!
Oh.
On the freaking board. There we go. Dang, that was sick. I told Skip to go to the front of the boat. First cast, he gets one. Felt like a guide right there. Nope, it's just there's a transition from sand to boulders, yeah. And it looks like there's a couple sitting over there, so.
Am I getting enough distance on it?
I mean, I would prefer if you could get more, but
I don't.
you gotta whip that thing. So here's the lowdown. Right now we're on this big sand flat with a bunch of big boulders, and we're dragging tubes. I'm dragging a Megabass Dark Swimmer right on the transition from these boulders. We've gone to quite a few. I think I've got 4 or 5. Skip's got 1. Jonah is still working towards his first. There we go. And his coach didn't even try to do anything. I don't know. Here, I got it, Skip. Beat down. Another one, boys. See ya, boys and girls. Sorry. Hold it with your thumb in there. No,
I did have my thumb in there.
that ain't it. No, that ain't it. No, I gotta teach you. See that? Like that, and then put your knuckles behind it because you got big old hands. And it'll help. Now put your knuckles behind there.
Like that?
There you go. Now stick that thing out at Skip. Oy. This guy's been caught a few times.
Holy shit.
Okay. You need to learn your lesson, buddy. First spot produced about 6, 7, 8 fish. Biggest was 4, 6. Everybody caught one. Kind of left fish to go find bigger fish, which was maybe a mistake, but hey, what do you do? Now we're gonna go see if we can find some more. Let's go, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fish? Let's go. Hey, don't horse them. Enjoy the ride, babe. There we go. We're recording here. Jonah's hooked up, said get this on video. Oh, it's a good one, dude. Actually, it's not that good. Nice, bro. Oh, that's fat. Fish? There we go, Skip.
He hit that like 2 or 3. I thought it was a rock.
Hey, Jonah, you gotta net him, bro.
Grab this.
Oh yeah, good one, Skippy. Oh gosh, we got all kinds of things going on. Boats turning. Jonah's hooked up, folks. Looks to be a good one. I don't know the way he's fighting it. Skipper in the net. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah. That's a good one, dude. Nice. Grizzly Man Outdoor sweatshirt.
Yes, sir. GMO.
Cutoff style.
GMO only.
Man's not messing around. That's your biggest one, isn't it? Oh, that's a fat one. Probably 3. Nice work, dude. All right, bro, hold it up for the folks. All right, so tell the folks what's the status here.
This is number 4 on the day. You know, it's just an exhilarating feeling, especially being out here with my brothers. Going for more.
What's the technique?
It's all in the wrist, baby.
All in the wrist. All right, let's get the release here, folks.
Later, brother.
Nice, gracious full drop. See you later. But like for this type of fishing, it's all spinning reel anyways. Oh, I just lost one. Come on, Frank, wake up. There we go, he came back. Doubled up? Oh! Let's go, baby. Mine seems little. How's yours feel?
Good catch.
Looks like yours is just snagged, buddy.
Yeah.
Thanks, dude. Yeah, Skip, see if you can work your magic, because I don't want to go spook those fish. Ooh, that feels pretty good. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, dang, he's got some tenacity. Nice! That's a good one.
That's a wonker.
That's a good one, baby. Look at that, he missed it and hooked him in the eye.
Ooh.
That's a good one. So fun to catch, folks. Folks, we're just dragging tubes, slow and methodical. Water temp's 46. Fine structure, slowly drag tubes, catch fish. I mean, even Jonah. That's saying something. Alrighty, boys. I think that's all she wrote. Folks, that's it. We found some fish today. We had some good camaraderie. It was a fun time. We got some big ones. We found fish at every spot. Wasn't as great or as consistent as we want. We didn't get that monster, but it still was a good time. All right, tell us your thoughts on the trip.
Great time. Reeled in 4 big boys. Yeah, I got outfished. I had a great time. Had a great time though. You know, out here on the water, beautiful day.
I mean, look at that sunset, folks. Golly, that is beautiful.
Can't beat it.
Old Ranger, Lake St. Clair. Thank you for watching Grizzly Man. Oh shoot! Thank you for watching Grizzly Man Outdoors. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and follow for some more. We're gonna keep chasing for that biggin. Oh shoot! We're gonna keep chasing that biggin. Stay tuned for more. See ya.